Hello everyone. By now you should have watched the Khan Academy videos on the introduction to correlation and scatter plots. Now I would like to show you how to create a scatter plot in Google Spreadsheets. So let's think about the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy, very famous, and how we can study how much it leans to one side with respect to time. So I created a Google spreadsheet, which is shared with all of you on Google Classroom. And there are a few examples in which you will be asked to create a scatter plot. So as you can see here, I have the first example with the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I want to see if the lean is increasing in time. And the scatter plot will show whether the correlation is positive, negative, or there's no correlation. You should be familiar with these terms. Maybe very quickly, let's see. Let's take a quick look on these types of correlation. With positive correlation, there is, as one of the variables increases, the other one also increases. With negative correlation, as one variable increases, the other one decreases, so it becomes smaller. And when there is no correlation, there is no trend, so like no association between the two variables. So this is something you should have been familiar with by now because it was in Khan Academy. And let's take a look at concrete examples. So in your worksheets, I have an example with the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and I want to see the scatter plot. So I will take my data and I will insert chart. And this chart, it automatically gave me a scatter chart, but if it gives you something else, here in chart type, you need to choose the scatter chart. And if I close this, I can have the scatter plot right here, and I can see that there is a very strong positive correlation as time goes by. The lean of the tower increases in linear fashion. I'll do another example. So the table shows the number of members in each of 9 families and the number of pets the family has. So I want to study if there's a correlation between the number of members in a family and the number of pets. So number of families and number of pets. And I need to insert the data I am given. So if I have number of members in a family, number of members in a and the number of pets 1 0 3 2 5 4 4 7 5. And now again I will take my data. I can also go to this star thing and explore, and here if I'm lucky they will directly give me a scatter plot, but looks like no. So I will insert chart and I will choose a scatter plot, scatter chart. And again, we'll try to describe it a bit. There is a positive, I would say moderate positive correlation between the number of members in